Welcome to Health Conscious. We produce daily videos on a wide range of health-related subjects. In today's video we'll show you an easy, homemade method to unclog your kitchen sink. Whenever you're washing dishes and begin seeing water in the sink backing up, this implies the drain is clogged. This issue will most likely end up happening to people who aren't careful and don't take the proper precautions. More often than not, a clogged drain occurs due to a development of fat and foods within your pipes. When we rinse fat down the drain it's normally liquid, but ends up solidifying and stopping up pipes. Pieces of foods, vegetables and fruit can likewise accumulate where the pipes curve and prevent the water from flowing. So what can you do when this happens? Do you call a handyman or plumber? Do you buy chemical products like Drano to unclog your sink? Most people probably don't know that these products contain synthetic and harmful substances that can cause skin problems and issues with breathing. The method we'll talk about today will be a cheap and natural solution to this problem. All that's required is boiling water and salt. First, pour half a cup of salt in your sink drain and wait for it to go down. Then boil 2 liters of water and remove it from the stove as soon as the water starts bubbling. Slowly pour the water down the drain. The boiling water will liquefy the fat and other food built up in the pipes with the help of the salt. After the water you boiled has all gone down the drain, run your faucet at the hottest setting to ensure the process has been successful. The salt's rough texture will be the factor that removes any leftover fat. You can also substitute the salt with dish detergent. In this case, boil the water as you did before and mix in a few spoonfuls of detergent. Pour the soapy water down the drain just as before. The detergent will help dissolve any fat melted by the water, and your pipes will be as good as new. If the buildup is being caused by very large pieces of food, then your best option is to unclog it manually with your hands or a coat hanger. Try this after pouring boiled water down the sink to remove any stray pieces of food. Do you have any other tips for unclogging sink drains? Tell us about them in the comment section. Thank you for watching Health Conscious. Check out the description for our recommended supplements for overall health. Please like the video if you found it informative. For more helpful videos like this one, subscribe and turn on notifications.